Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unfollow a group from a post on the Facebook app on your PC. If your Facebook feed is full of group posts you're no longer interested in, don't worry. It only takes a few quick steps to stop seeing them. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's open, you'll land on your home page where you'll see all kinds of posts, updates from friends, suggested content, and of course, posts from groups you've joined. Scroll through your feed until you find a post from the group you no longer want to follow. When you find that post, look toward the top right corner of it. You'll see three small dots. These represent more options. Click on those three dots. A small menu will appear with a few different choices related to that post. From the list that pops up, look for the option that says unfollow. It will usually read something like unfollow group name. Click that. Once you do, you'll stop seeing new posts from that group in your feed, but you'll still remain a member of the group. That means you can visit it anytime by searching for it manually if you ever change your mind or just want to check in later. It's important to note that unfollowing doesn't mean leaving the group. It simply hides its posts from appearing in your home feed. This is great if you want to declutter what you see on Facebook without losing access to the communities you've joined. After you've clicked unfollow, you'll get a quick confirmation that the change has been made. From that point on, Facebook will stop showing you future posts from that group, helping you keep your feed a little cleaner and more personalized to your interests. And that's it. You've just learned how to unfollow a group from a post on the Facebook app on your PC. Thanks for tuning in.